So in this video, you'll learn how to keep the VPN always on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So the first step is to just go ahead and open the Settings app, and then under Settings, you're going to tap on Connections. From Connections, you're then going to select More Connection Settings, then you're going to tap on VPN. Tap on the settings icon next to the current VPN protocol that you're using. And then from here, you should see a list of settings that you can use to customize your VPN. You should see this option, Always-On VPN. So you're going to tap on the toggle next to it to enable it. Once it's been enabled, it now means that no matter what, your VPN will be constantly on throughout the day, 24/7. Unless you come here and tap on the toggle to turn it off, in which case then you'll have to be turning it on or off manually. And so that's how you can keep the VPN always on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.